thyristor protection circuit. So the one of the most important thyristor protection circuit is our that is Graubar protection circuit. We will discuss over here in detail with that circuit as well. This crowbar protection circuit will give the protection against our over voltages, right? So the crowbar protection circuit is a fail safe protection circuit basically. So it protects the load against over voltages. So the main advantage of this crowbar circuit is that it provides the protection against the over voltages. So it is placed across the power supply output terminal. So the power output terminal is basically nothing but the load side terminal. We have to apply this circuit across that one. So the crowbar circuit mechanism consists of a crowbar device and sensing circuits, that is also known as the monitoring circuit as well. Okay, so monitoring circuit is nothing but it is based on some relay kind of element. It will sense the over current or over voltages and will send the signal to our circuit breaker, or the fuses will be get blow up. So two mainly commonly used component for the crowbar protection is the crowbar device are like silicon controlled rectifier and the MOSFET. So these are the two main common devices we always utilized. So a crowbar circuit is usually placed across the power supply output terminal to protect the load against the over voltages. So the crowbar circuit with the combination of our thyristor is always connected to our load, or we can say that across the load, so it will protect against the over voltages to our load. So this is the main circuit of our crowbar circuit. We can say we are giving a supply VDC over here. We are here with a fuse, and this is the crowbar circuit. Whole of this we are connecting. This is our thyristors. So the thyristor is connected with our comparator. So the comparator have the terminal 2 and 3, we can say, and these are the combination resistances with a Zener diode VZ. So Zener diode have a reverse blocking capacity as well. So voltage across generator is 3 volt. So how this will work, we will continue with the further slide. So when the over voltage is occurs due to some surging, lightning, or we can say that by increasing the anode to cathode voltage or change in load. So across the voltage divider circuit, then the over voltage will appear, which lead to high voltage at the non-inverting input terminal of the op-amp. Okay, so that is the main concern when the voltage over voltage is over there. So we can say that the high voltage will appear across the non-inverted terminal of this comparator. So it will compare this voltage. Say the voltage will come from this side and the high voltage is coming from this side. So that will be compare over here. The voltage at inverting input of the op-amp is same as the Zener diode, that is 3 volt. Okay, so this is the normal condition, faulty conditions. So now the comparator output is high, consequently voltage appear across the SCR terminal. So so we can say that SCR across the crowbar protection will be get on, and that will be that short circuit. And during this short circuit condition, fuse will be blow up, and or we can say that trip the circuit breaker. So our load will be get safe by the short circuit get to damage to it. So by this way we have to protect our load over the over voltages. So this is about the crowbar circuit protections. Now if we talk about the advantages, the crowbar protection circuit have its own advantages, that is the easy and cheap to construct. So mainly over a comparator and few resistances with the Zener diode are over there across the thyristors, and it prevents the serious damage to sensitive and expensive electronic equipment. So so high voltages are the main reason to damage our thyristor. So it will provide the very good protection against the sensitive and expensive electronic equipment against the over voltage. So the next thing, as a it have a low holding voltages, basically we can say then that allow the high fault current to flow without any dissipation, and much heat will be produced over there. So it during the Lenche breakdown, lots of heat is produced over there. So that is also minimized by the dissipation purpose or dissipation of the heat throughout the resistances. It draws the attention to the equipment or fault condition when it deactivate the protective devices by tripping the circuit breaker or blowing the fuses. So the main advantage of this is that it includes some sensing devices as well. So it will directly sense the overcurrent or over voltages during the damage during the surges or lightning process, and it will blow out that fuses during that over voltage condition and will save our devices in a very correct manner. Thank you very much. This is all about the over voltage protection through the crowbar circuit protection. Please like and subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us for more videos on the thyristor. Thank you.